Hey everybody, this is MSC Productions, and today I got this in the mail. This is the Apple Airtag. I just received it, and let's take a look and see what we got. I mean, I don't know why this is on it. Maybe that was something that I did, but I don't know. But let's take a look and see what we got. So here's a bunch of different road maps. Here's some warranty information. You get a warranty, safety, how to keep your hands safe with handling this machine, and here's the AirTag. There's a road map here, and here it is. You can see update to the latest iOS or iPad OS, turn on Bluetooth and pull tab. Okay, so we'll get our phone out, hold near device and follow on-screen instructions. Okay, so let's do it. Oh, my phone's right here. I have to figure out how to do it because I'm using my phone to record. I've got an idea. So I guess all we really have to do is hold a tab. So I want to be sure I show that. So the pull tab's right here, and then we're going to pull it. So the iPhone is right next to me, and we're going to pull it. Okay. Here's the unvarnished AirTag, and we're going to pull it right now. So we'll get. And then we press connect. And for this is going to be my keys. Good. And it will see my keys in the Find My app. So cool. Awesome. So here's the AirTag. You can see it up close. You can see it has this little plastic engraving that's already a little bit scratched, but then you can see this is labeled for my car keys. You can have these engraved with 4 different characters according to Apple's website. Something annoying that I find with these right off the bat is it doesn't come with any sort of way to clip onto keys. You have to get a separate accessory. And as of right now, I do not believe I have that accessory required to attach this to my keys. So for right now, it's going to have to sit off in the background while I wait for this other accessory to come in, because I don't see it in the box that I got. So it's just gonna have to sit here until I get a connector for my keys. But just wanted to show that real quick. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you all next time. with an update on the AirTag once I get the attachment that goes with it. See ya.